Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: a charged watch and an active phone connection. Unlock your watch and wake the screen, press the crown or swipe to access settings. Once you're in, navigate to watch faces or display. This is where faces are managed. You'll see the current face and a gallery. Tap Gallery or Add to begin. Make sure to note any complications or widgets you want to keep, because some faces replace them when applied. You now pick a face and tap Customize to edit colors, complications, and layout. Use the digital crown or swipe to toggle options. Once done, preview each change so you can confirm legibility and which complications show real-time data. You can save multiple variations as favorites for quick switching. If your watch pairs with a phone app, make sure to sync. The app often exposes additional faces and granular controls. This middle step refines appearance and function, so the face fits your daily needs. You're at the finish line. Tap Apply or Set to make the selected face active, then exit to confirm it displays correctly. You can switch quickly by long pressing the watch face or choosing saved faces in the companion app. Once done, make sure complications update and touch targets respond. If the face fails to apply, restart the watch and check for system updates. If problems persist, remove and re-add the face or unpair and repair the device to resolve sync issues. This usually fixes stubborn glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.